Alright gang, welcome to Hansens Speed Shop. It's time for another custom Hot Wheels build. Today we're going to be doing a really cool build using one of these Hot Wheels retro rigs and a 55 Chevy gasser. If you can kind of see back here in the background, we've got my Hansens Speed Shop Tarantula dragster, and I built that car for a Deep Junk Garage Race Car Challenge, and I built a custom trailer for it and a 57 Plymouth to pull it with. And then later I built my Hansens Speed Shop Tarantula funny car. So now we're going to build the Hansens Speed Shop hauler and a 55 Chevy gasser to match all these cars, and it should be pretty cool. This is kind of like my fantasy drag team. So we've got a double A field dragster, a funny car, and now it's time to do a gasser. So this is going to be pretty cool. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen one of these 55 Chevys before, but I'm not positive yet. They come from Hot Wheels with like a big block Chevy in it. I'm not sure if I'm going to swap that out for something else, but these green tinted windows are going to look really cool with the theme of this car. And then obviously we'll be painting the truck here to match everything. I've got some really cool wheels. Let's get these opened up here. These just came in the mail the other day. So for on the back of the gasser, we've got these really neat 5-spoke mag wheels with these pie crust slicks. These are brand new from Hot Wheels, and I really dig them. Probably going to be painting the wheels to look like an old magnesium wheel. And then up front, we're just going to be using the standard Hot Wheels kind of gasser front wheel. We'll be painting those to match, but those are going to look really good on this car. We'll leave the wheels on the truck alone because I really like those, and those will look fine. So basically, the next step is just going to strip this body and then get the truck tore apart and strip that, and then we can go from there. Alright gang, so I can tell already this thing's coming along really cool and looks sweet already. Got the cab for the truck stripped. This part is all plastic if you're familiar, so we can't really strip that. I'm just going to have to sand it, scuff it, and repaint it, which is what I did on the last time I built one of these. These premium Hot Wheels are usually kind of a pain in the butt to strip. So we still got some cleanup, as you can see, on the roof here to do, and I'm still working on the metal work on the 55 body, getting all the casting lines and everything cleaned up. Got my wheels on here. Things looking really killer, just as is. So this should be pretty sweet. I still have not decided if we're going to do an engine swap or not yet. If I do an engine swap, we're going to go with a Hemi in this thing. So I'm still going to play around with that. I've got engines that I can use. I just not sure if I want to do that yet or not. Otherwise, the truck's basically, other than cleaning or scuffing up the plastic on the bed part, pretty much is ready for paint detail. Here's our interior and our grill piece. And then on the 55, we just got to finish cleaning up the body, and then that could go to paint. But I want to decide if we're going to do an engine swap yet or not. Make sure I can get everything fit in there just right before I get this thing painted. But otherwise, this project's going to move along pretty good. Basically, we just got to do the main focus on the 55 and get that thing ready, finish doing the body work and everything, and then we'll kind of take one more look at everything right before I go to paint it, and we'll go from there. Alright gang, it is time for the final unveil on this super awesome combo here of my 55 Chevy Tarantula gasser and this really cool retro rig that I turned into a Tarantula drag team hauler to go with all my other fantasy drag cars that I've built. As you can see, this thing turned out really awesome. If you guys dig it, give it a thumbs up, comment below, let me know what you think of it. I'll just talk about what I all did to it real quick. So on the car itself, put the truck over here. On the car itself, we gave it a really cool black paint job. Some super cool Hot Wheels pie crust slicks out back with some 5-spoke wheels that I kind of detailed out to look like some old magnesium wheels. Then I did the same treatment on the front. Gave it a gloss black paint job, handed the tarantula on the door and the 427 on the front fender. Detailed out the interior, kind of just basically detailed out the seats, and most of the interior I kind of did in a flat aluminum. Detailed out the dashboard. The engine I did in a gloss red with flat black headers. Detailed out the front of the car. I'm still debating if I want to do the headlights out in like a green or a red, but for now I'm just gonna leave them chrome. Underneath, basically just detailed out everything real nice. Here's a look at the driver's side of the car. Super cool, really happy with this one, guys. And then on our hauler here, basically detailed out everything, all the little handles, all the little lights on everything, painted the bed insert, underneath, detailed out everything. Here's a look at the front of the truck. Here's a look at the driver's side of the truck. Super happy with this one, guys. Stick around for some more pictures of the two. Otherwise, until next time, get out, work on your own projects, get those hands dirty and greasy, stay cool, and we'll catch you cats on the next one. Thanks for watching.